All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, find k. Okay, so this epsilon symbol, that just means is a part of, and this big arm is the real numbers. So they're saying find k, and it is a real number, such that 2y plus 8x plus k equals 0, and it passes through the point of intersection of these lines. Okay, so long story short, first we're going to find the point of intersection of these two lines, and then we're going to use that to help us solve for this k value. Okay, so remember, when two lines intersect, they cross. Where they cross, they become the same. Okay, and another word for the same is equal to. All right, so we're going to try and figure out how that happens here. Sometimes you can manipulate these and combine and eliminate, and you could do that here, but I think it'd be a little simpler just to move them into slope intercept form and go from there. Okay, so I'm going to move this into slope intercept form. So this first line right here, moving it into slope intercept form, the first step I would add 8x to both sides. So now I would have 4y equals 8x plus 20. Okay, and then I divide everything by 4 to get y by itself. So I have y is 2x plus 5. Okay, so now basically we just put that one into slope intercept form. That's good. Okay. All right, let's put this one in a slope intercept form. So the first step, I'm just going to add 9x to both sides. So I would have 3y is 9x plus 9. Divide everything by 3 to get y by itself, and you have y is 3x plus 3. Voila. All right. So now we have the same lines, but now they're a little bit more manageable. They're in y equals mx plus b form. We call that slope intercept form. Okay, so remember, when these things cross, they are the same. So if they're the same, you can kind of remember this idea. If they're the same, then that's like saying, well, y is y, because they are the same. And now you could just substitute in. Instead of this y, I say 2x plus 5. Instead of this y, I say 3x plus 3. 2x plus 5 is 3x plus 3. Okay? There you go. This is good because now there's only one variable. There's only one variable. We can just do some linear algebra. All right. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So that's going to give me negative x, because 2x minus 3x is negative 1x. And then I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. And that's going to give me negative 2, because 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Divide out the negative. So now I know that x is 2. What this tells me is when these two things intersect, the x-coordinate is 2. All right, let's go find y. To find y, you can just plug into either of these for the x, and then you could isolate y. I'll do both just to be careful, because you never know. You might have made a mistake. So here we go. 4y minus 8 instead of x, I say 2 is 20. That tells me, 4y minus 16 is 20. 4y equals 36, because I just added 16 to both sides, and 36 divided by 4, so now I have y is 9. If I wanted to quickly double check, I'll just do this one a little bit faster. If I put a 2 in here, I'd have negative 18. If I added 18 to both sides, I would get 27, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. So it all checks out. Great. So I checked both. I know that my point of intersection is 2, 9. Right? This is my x value, and this is my y value. So now all you have to do is like, well, I know that this right here, they told me this will pass through this point. What this does is it lets me substitute my x right there, lets me substitute my y right there, and that will get k isolated, and then I will have the value of k. So all I got to do is take this and substitute in, and I'm all done. So I say 2. Instead of y, I say 9. Plus 8. Instead of x, I say 2. Plus k, that's what we're trying to find, equals 0. Okay. Let's come on down so it's center up. All right. 18 plus 16 plus k equals 0. 18 plus 16 is 34. 34 plus k is 0. Subtract 34 from both sides, and voila, k is negative 34. And there you go. We did it. That's our answer. K is negative 34. Good job. All right. As always, if you got any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you want to be notified when more Mathity-Math is coming your way, make sure you subscribe below. All righty. Thank you. Bye.